Hey my peeps, welcome back to part 2 of cutting down my callaloo plant. Alright, there I am putting in some salt. Don't worry, I have already put some in there. I forgot to video it, so I just put some, sprinkle some more so you can see. But trust me, I have a lot of salt in it. But yeah, soaking in some salt for few I think I let them soak for probably about an hour or two, honestly. That's a close-up of how big the stalks are. Yes, we have a lot of cleaning up to do, but that's what it is. Hopefully I get a good amount, but let's see. After cutting it up, we'll see what we get. All right, so go and watch a video. So this is the end results after washing. You can see a few little caterpillars in the bottom. Yeah, and then this is all. Yep. All right, next step is chopping it up. All right. All right, so I'm cleaning up the callaloo. So I grew up seeing my mommy doing this. Just cut a little piece off the top and then just pull to get that string off. Where is it? Right there. She said if you're gonna take them off, we'll get the callaloo will tough. So this is what I am doing. So I did all this to every piece, especially the big pieces like this. The leaves, I don't do anything to it. They are soft. But as for these pieces, this is how I clean it up. Yeah. And just drop it in that bowl there. This is some big breed callaloo stock. A callaloo big, you know. Honestly, man. Now pieces like this, I just do the same. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just continue cleaning up the callaloo stock them. Pieces like them piece there will come off of this the leaf them, the stem them. I think I the stem them call about there. I'm not sure. But pieces like those I try to clean up. Which those pieces for me look normal. No, honestly, the first time I ever see it just a big breed callaloo. That's the only thing I can say. It's huge, man. Very, very huge. The stalk thick. And if you don't clean it off, from what I've seen so far with cooking it, it will be tough. So I have to get off that outer layer there for it to eat soft. But overall, we finally finish. Yes, down to the final pieces. Thank you, Jesus, me done. Can me tell us it was a long process, yeah. Alright, so this is what I got from the callaloo. It's a good amount. So what I'm gonna do is cook some and leave some in the freezer for a later date. All right, so stay tuned for the cooking video of the callaloo. All right, bye bye.